Hey everyone, day two. It's been a pretty rough day. Um, believe it or not, I've been up since 6:30 in the morning since market open. This is what we're dealing with right here. A huge range, no sort of structure at all. It's all randomized. Like you can't tell anything from this. There's no clear up or down trend. It's all trading within a range. It looks like it's trying to get out here, but obviously we made a higher high, higher low, and then lower high, but then a higher low. It's messy. It's messy. It's messy. It's messy. Um, yeah, right. I don't even know where to start. It was very bad today. Today was a very rough start. We fell off the face of the earth overnight. We started around here. Um, yeah, so I've been on the charts for about 2 hours. No, we started around here. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's been on the charts for around 2 hours. It's been extremely volatile. No, okay, sorry. My mistake. Here is where we started. On the 1 minute. I don't know what I'm saying. This first candle right here, that's market open. It was extremely volatile throughout. Or I think it was here. I don't even remember, bro. No, it 6:30. Okay, market open was here with that doji. Apologies, okay? So this is for sure market open, okay? Started here, went down. We made a thought we were gonna break, but we didn't. So we made a higher high, higher low, equal high, higher low, higher high, equal low, higher high, higher low. So maybe this is the start of some new structure, hopefully. So, oh, we broke. Awesome. Okay, so we just broke structure again, but I really don't like this. I don't like this at all. I really want a clear confirmation that this thing's gonna go up. This is what I'm in for. Uh, yeah. And then this down here, we're not even worrying about that because this is very, um, well, this is like something we don't need to worry about. It's down here. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. But as you can see, this is not working out very well. Yeah, this is just coming straight back down. This is the third time it's done that. Unless it wants, if there's strong bullish pressure, then yeah, maybe if we get above these highs, I'm in there. I think that's how we're gonna have to play it. If we get above, like around here or something, it's gotta engulf this entire thing, and then I would play it. But I'm just not sure. We tapped into the buy side liquidity here. Oops. Okay, come on. There's a fair value gap right here. And then, yeah, we definitely tapped into that here as well, here. So it's unvalidated. I don't really need to mark that, but let's have it just in case. Okay, so we didn't really retest here. We didn't retest this. Well, now support zone. Excuse me, I'm tired. But grind gotta go. We don't talk about no tired around these parts. So, here's what we're waiting for. Down here. I want to see the body of the candle come back, so I know it's a good retest. But this is just so ugly, bro. It's been so bad. I think it might have been because CPI, because if we look here on Forex Factory where you can get all your news, if you look at the calendar, right? Today is the 13th. day before Valentine's Day, we had CPI at 5:30 in the morning. So where was this? 5:30, right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So CPI was here. It looks like we made some structure here. It went up. Yeah, that makes sense. You could have traded that, but obviously 5:30 for me. That's so early. But I don't know why I'm complaining. I'm being a little bitch. So it's okay. But yeah, no. I don't really want to trade news. I'm not too It's not really my expertise. I'm not even good at regular trading yet. I need to definitely have more market experience, but we are $800 in the positive, but my maximum loss limit is obviously 49171. Obviously, need to get to 3K. Then I can get my funded account, but I'm taking it slow. I'm taking it disciplined. So today I'm targeting either $300 to $400 of profit to make yesterday's trade a break even, or some of that nature. 600. Today's Friday, right? Yep, Friday. So weekend, right? I don't think I'll post on the weekend. I think it's just gonna be weekdays. I can update you guys on Monday on what I did on the weekend, trading wise, obviously. And yeah, okay, this thing looks like it's coming up, but at the same time, this also looked like it was coming up. So don't want to do that. No sir, no sir. We ain't doing none of that, bro. If we can stay above this, that'd be golden. Oh, oh my gosh. Excuse me. Alright, let's just wait it out here, I guess. Just like a property value closing. Wait a minute. It definitely closed above, but I'd like for this to come back in here. Once the 3 minute breaks out, we obviously scale down to the 1. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it there. If not, it might be premature, but we have to get a trade in before London session closes, which is in 25 minutes. London session closes, then market will move super duper slowly, and we won't be able to catch 15 points as easily since they're all smaller moves. It'll just be New York. We won't have both exchanges open. But yeah, so just gonna keep waiting. Good retest. Okay. If we get I want good bullish pressure. I want to see it come here. Because this is the original retracement, right? But if we push above here, then it'd be more confirmed. All right, time to lock in. Lock in, lock in. I was gonna put my headphones on, but I don't know why. Locking in, bruh. Highlighter bleeds through the page when I read my Bible, so I'm just gonna read this right now. Not in front of you guys, obviously. This ain't a story time. Because we are waiting for this, and this obviously looks like it's gonna take a bit. But yeah, I'll read my next page. Okay, I was almost done my page, but looks like we're breaking a bit here. I want this to be a confirmed bullish trend before I get in and set my profits just in case. Let's go 600. And we'll get out if it doesn't work that way, but all right, we're getting. I think this is it. I think this might be it. Um, oh, I'm gonna get in here, I think. Let's wait for this candle to close because I want to get above this engulfing. If we do, I'm in there. Catch my calm 20 points. 20, 20 points, 20, 30 points, something like that. Catch a calm 20, 30 points. It's gonna close above here. And again, if I lose again, it's okay. Losses are part of the game. But, yeah. Damn, it's moving slow. I'd like to see more bullish pressure. My window's closed, so I guess you guys are gonna have to deal with that. Sorry about that noise. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay. Nope. Sorry. It sounds loud. Man. Come on, bro. That's genuinely crazy. All right, so the significant verse is marked out. I've read it. It's all good. Need to start putting a bookmark in there. All right, back to the church. Back to the charts. This white line I'm pointing to right now looks like a little mini resistance, so it's good that we didn't buy right after we went up, because that was, this is very bad. This price action is horrible. Here, we're gonna try to get above, see if we can get a little retrace. If that's possible, that'd be awesome. Oh, looks like we're breaking above. We're wicking. Okay. Okay. Golly, bro. Oh no. Are they gonna come back down now? Yes, okay. Okay, okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, okay. We're going for liquidity. Yeah, we broke above those highs. It's over, bro. That was crazy push. Mm. Yeah, we definitely came for some people's stop losses. Yeah, I'm just gonna come down here. And then we make it above this wick. And then we're golden. That's what I'm gonna do. No, I think that's... I think that is the play. Unless these wicks are touching. Mm. Mm. Hey man, you know what? That's good enough for me. Okay. Might be premature, but I do see us coming but past here. This is really this moment it has to close above this high and we'll enter. We'll enter right there. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, if it comes back down here, that'd be even more perfect. That'd be awesome. Yeah, it's even better. If we start the next candle here, yeah, oh my gosh. This might be, yeah, so we just make it above this wick right here. Make it above that. That's tough. My brother. I guess we're putting this back in here. Does it, like... What's going on here? I think it wanted to retrace down here, maybe. There's obviously like a very little uptrend here. Let's look at the 30-second, like... Yeah, you can see this. Yeah. Yeah, we're uptrending. Okay. Let's make it past this high. I guess we didn't touch that yet. Oh my gosh. You got... Oh. Shoot. London's gone. London pressure's gone. London pressure is gone. Oh. Excuse me. This is crazy. I guess it would have a breakout. Looks like here this was a breakout. Yeah, no, this is a breakout. We didn't come back. Okay. Alright. Yeah, we worked there. Brother, there's a good candle right here. I need to get in. Kinda taking too long. Well, no, I'm being patient. This is what I'm doing. I'm being patient. If I'm being impulsive, then stuff like yesterday would happen. Even though yesterday was part of the strat, it was good, but obviously it just didn't work out. Oh, okay. Some short pressure. I see you. I see you. I like that. I like that. Close above here. Close above here, please. Yeah. Yeah. We're in there. Okay.
Order.
Oof. That's rough. That is very rough.
Order filled.
Another loss. It's not fun. Not at all. 2 losses in a row. Think we'll play. I don't want to overtrade, but if we come above here, retest, then I'll play that. But for now, I'll stop recording. See if something goes down. Yeah. Okay. All right. We're back after a bit. I feel a bit better. Gonna make sure the strategy fully plays out. And this is what we're gonna do. Okay, this is game plan, folks. What we have here is what's it called? It's a breakout, right? So I want to play the retest for this breakout here. Okay, I want this to come back down. Once it does come back down, we play the engulfing. We're gonna have a bit bigger of a stop loss. No, not a big, maybe 350. Probably. Bigger of a stop loss. $17, 9, 7, 8, 9, 9. 1700, 9, 9, 18.6. Okay. This is going to be like the absolute max profit target that we're going to have. Okay. Because literally this is what's happening right now. Higher time frame wise, right? We got to come up. So I'm going to try to get the max profit I can out of this thing. And if I can't, then oh well. But if I can, then that'd be awesome. While it's doing this, let's identify liquidity over here. Hold on. Let me put in a buy. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. This is plummeting, but this is still a higher low. I don't want it to go below here. Because we gotta come up one way or another, right? Some good buy side liquidity here. Period sale. I guess. Oh wait, never mind here. Fair value gap. It's good buy side. Hmm. I guess this counts, but I like this one better. I mean, you can mark both. The more the merrier, right? Oh my gosh, there's so much buy side here. Yeah. Oh wow. I didn't even realize. Oh no, it's not buy side. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity. We could just go on a run. That's what I'm saying. I feel like that's plausible. Once it goes, you know? Like here, if we're taking out liquidity. And then I want one candle out, one candle back in, and engulfing. Oh man. Yeah, bro. Like once we're going, we're in, bro. Like, look at that, right? Every day, I get better and better, and it doesn't matter if I lose, I win because I know I ask people that are much better than me, and I can get advice, and then I can always apply it to the next one. You know, so that's what it is. All right, this thing, dude. This thing wants to shoot up. Oh my gosh. I know it wants to just claim all that liquidity that I marked out. Oh my gosh. Imagine if we come all the way up here. Bro, that's dead ass. 100 points. Just straight liquidity. Because fuck. That was an accident. Nope. Okay. Oh shit. Alright, there was liquidity here. I have to remark it before we go. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yep, come back down. Here would be nice. This would be nice. I mean, these wicks. Patience plays, bro. Patience plays. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming down for here. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's a retest. That's a retest, bro. I don't know. That's a pretty good retest. Bye. Whoa. What the helly ante is going on, bro? That's crazy. Oopsies. Huh. Just got a price alert from yesterday's trade because we were ranging yesterday too. Could this finally be it? Who knows? Engulfing! Engulfing! Oh my god. Because this is such nice structure that we got going too. If we got on a liquidity run, bro, it makes so much back. You have no idea. Bro, what, let's say, because it's 20 points per contract, right? $20 per point, I mean, per contract. So 20, or what's my profit target? 18 something? What is it? 18. 18, 6. We divide that by 90 points. If we get 90 points, we'd be. If we go all the way back up and I got my 90 points, that's literally all I need. That'd be amazing. And then we'd have what? 1,000? No, not even. We'd have 700 left to get it express. That'd be crazy. Obviously, I don't think that'll happen, but you can dream, right? I think maybe, probably, let's say 50 points, probably. We can go before it comes back down, unless it's just gonna go on a crazy bull run, but. ¿Cuánto te llama? Yo no sé. I don't like this wicking that's going on here. It's kind of weird. And this stuff here. We didn't engulf this candle too. Gotta engulf that. We're gonna go engulf. Engulf that. Engulf. Brother, what? Brother. Come on, brother. Come on, man. You know what is this, bro? This is barely I really don't like this play that's going on, bro. Bro, this just makes me so much more unconfident. Cause what is this? This is a clean thing. But obviously I played that and I um didn't get a good result before, but in the next one it did work. So it's just a matter of being unlucky, I guess, but let's see. That's a good candle. I like that. Get above these levels. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. I rock with that. I rock with that, Abby. Mm-hmm. Going for liquidity. All right. Damn, bro, just grab it. Sheesh. Sheesh. Damn, good thing I didn't enter. Golly. 985. God damn. Please just grab that liquidity, bro. I don't understand this. So hard about it. My gosh, I hate this setup. I hate it. Gosh, bro, this is so jaggedy. I hate it, bro. Not it, man. Not it. Barcode market, bro. See, it's just crazy. They don't want the stop losses here, bro. They don't want to grab nothing here, bruh. They scared. They really don't want to grab those stops, bro. No, they do not. Because once they grab it, we're just on a constant uptrend, and then that's where the money's at. It's money, bro. Well, I guess I'll just tell you guys what I'm looking for. Well, this here I don't like. I feel like this price action is just gonna play up until liquidity. So no, that's not what I wanted to do. Wait, bro. Gosh, bro, like make a move already, golly. Or better yet, I feel like it's gonna go. That's what I think it's gonna do. It's gonna retrace or something. It's gonna do something like that, no? Just gotta. Retrace, boom, retrace up, boom, break, boom. Because here's liquidity, right? Because if we grab liquidity, I don't know if it's going to be a liquidity sweep, and we do not want a liquidity sweep. Because then or it's still going to be this jaggy ass mess. Jaggy mess, man. Oh my god. This is not fun at all. Oh, market impact. Let's see what this is. Trump says, I think Iran talks will be successful. If unsuccessful, it'll be a bad day for Iran. Alright, well, this is not really an impact. Today. Whatever floats the boat, I guess. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. So we grab liquidity. Now what? I'm just gonna come back down, bro. Golly, bro. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, so sorry, guys. What is this, bro? My gosh. Definitely. You draw the support to be obliterated. gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, I really want to get above this level. I do, but it's just so bad. No wonder I lost. It was so bad today. Once this breaks above, does something, I'll come back, guys. As you guys can see, hella strong support right here. Right up here. This entire thing right here. I'm getting rid of this line. This is all so messy right now, bro. It's so bad. We've seen better days. We've seen better days, but of course it'll be better if we do something else. But here. All right. This is it. This is what I want to do. Okay. Okay. All right. Looks like there was resistance there. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Yep. This resistance zone is like a fair value gap, kinda. It's kind of funny. Awesome. Yeah, so this entire thing is like a fair value gap. We have to wait for an invalidation. Okay. Hold up. This is what I'm playing. This is what I am playing. Up here. Up here. Up here. You wanna know? Boom! That's free money. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you it's gonna work. Nah, bro. What would you guys do if it actually if I actually just went crazy and it just did work? It's like, oh my god. What? And then it goes just skyrockets. Because we gotta go back up eventually, don't we? I'm saying, dog. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set another alert here. So once we do come up, I'm in there. I'm in there. That's what I'm gonna do right now. For those of you asking, I set alerts on Trade Locker. It's my demo. It's my demo account. Yeah, I'll set an alert right there. Or no, I'll actually set it like here. Here, I'll set it there. All right. Alert has been set. Okay, now it has been set. It's weird, but yeah, alert set. Oh shoot. Yeah, we're gonna put a resistance here because obviously I don't know why I got rid of it. I just wanted to get rid of a clutter. Oh, that is not good. I wanted to get rid of the clutter, so my bad, gang. But yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now. You know. Yeah. Okay. Here, up here. It's the final break. final break, and then it's just straight up from there, bro. It has to be, bro. It's gotta be. It's just like, if not, bro, get in here. Yeah, because this is their what's it called? The consolidation here almost, you know. I mean, I guess it's a higher high as long as we don't go below here. As long as we don't go below here, then I guess it's like an uptrend ish. This is barely a higher high, but still is a higher high. I think what's going on here is they're just there's like liquidity like right here or some shit, and then they're protecting it. The big institutions. Gotta go up eventually, right? It's inevitable. But yeah, no. Yeah, this is a big rejection zone, of course, right here. So definitely come back up. The alert's in there. Come back up. And then, yeah, one of these days we're gonna break. So we'll be back when we break. Yeah, man. So, this is what we're dealing with. Back in this unpredictable zone. Um, I don't know what to do other than yeah, no, because you see it starts dropping here, right? Then it comes back up. Maybe it's retracing. Could that be it? No, it didn't even touch the wicks. It didn't come in the zone. This is a pretty big resistance level. Because buys were played here. Well, I don't even know anymore. 13 minutes till market close. Oh, I think we should probably cut our losses, maybe. And start the new week off with better. A better try. We're at 575.40 right now. I mean, disregarding the the uh the market structure. I mean, disregarding the support and resistance zones. It looks like a pretty clean downtrend. So yeah, it does look like a pretty clean downtrend. Sorry. But here they were clean spikes, right? This is something else. Unless it comes down like this. Oh, well, yeah, I guess it's half of it. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright, we came into the zone. Okay. I'm definitely touched. Yeah. If we keep dropping, that'd be good, but 10 more minutes. Hey, I'm willing to risk 575 to get back to where we started. I'm down for that. Not really. Ooh, oh man. Gosh. Okay. This engulfs. mm, 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 mm. Guess we're coming up now, cause yeah, no. Actually, these were pretty clean trains, but at the same time, we came back into this big zone where it's very bad. But these were clean, just. Hmm. Except for this one, maybe, because if you entered here, this candle would have been. Mm. But oh my gosh. Okay. Close below here. Maybe, but I'm also looking at this here. I don't know. I feel like I don't know if I should cut my losses here, but this looks like a higher time frame thing. I don't know if I'm tweaking, but this is what I'm seeing. Mira, alright. Guess we gotta see. We just didn't make it past this high. Little levels in between. Honestly, I think this one's a loss, but we finished the week with positive 575, which I think is pretty good. Anyway, this is the verse I wanted to talk about. Genesis 3:4. You will not certainly die, the serpent said to the woman, for God knows when you eat from it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing your good and evil. This was obviously the turning point for humanity when Eve ate the forbidden fruit. And yeah, it just shows that we're not above God. We can't change his plan. We must respect what he has in store for us. I do think that this is a lesson to be learned. I'm not perfect, but I can always try to be better. And that I always need to remember to remain humble and follow the rules. And with that, I will succeed. So yeah, minor setback. I'll learn from this. Definitely will learn from this. I gotta remember. Gotta look at the higher time frames um, more often, and base my support and resistance zones off that, and then take trades off that. I think the main thing that's killing me is these zones where it's like random or not. Well, yeah, this entire thing where it's random. Can't really tell, and it's really hard to, and obviously it kind of screws you up a little bit. But next week should be good. There shouldn't be much of this. There's no news next week, so it should be a straight good day other than the holidays. But in the end, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, today was good. It was a good learning experience overall. And tomorrow or on Monday, we come with profits. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.